Imagine two companies, both earning rupees 10 per share, but one is priced at rupees 100 and the other at rupees 300. Why such a huge difference? Well, the answer lies in one of the most powerful tool investors use, the PE ratio. Let's decode it. The price earning ratio right here on only on Tubeshaala. Hi everyone, I am Dr. Abhijeet Chatterjee and you are watching Tubeshaala, where we make finance fun, simple and practical. Today we will understand what the PE ratio really means, how to calculate it and why it plays such a big role in stock investing. So what exactly is the PE ratio? PE stands for price earning ratio. It shows how much investors are willing to pay for rupee 1 of the company's earning. In simple words, if the PE ratio is high, it means investors expect higher future growth from the company. If the PE ratio is low, the company might be undervalued or it might just not be growing much. The formula for PE ratio is market price per share divided by earnings per share. Very simple. Just divide the current market price of the stock by its EPS or the earning per share and you will get the PE ratio. Let's understand this with an example. Suppose the share price of a company is rupees 200 and its EPS being rupees 20. Then the price earning ratio would be rupees 200 divided by rupees 20, that is rupees 10. This means that investors are willing to pay rupees 10 for every 1 rupee that the company is earning. Now, company B has a share price of rupees 500 and a EPS of rupees 25. So, its PE ratio comes to rupees 500 divided by rupees 25, that is equal to rupees 20. Even though both companies earn profit, investors value company B more, possibly because it's growing faster or has a stronger brand. So, what does a PE ratio tells us? A high PE suggests the market has high expectation from the company's future performance. A low PE might mean that stock is undervalued or sometimes that investors don't expect much growth. But remember, PE alone isn't enough. It should always be compared with companies in the same industry. To summarize, PE ratio shows relationship between the stock price and the company's earning. It's a key indicator of valuation. A high PE ratio is not equal to always good and a low PE ratio is also not equal to always bad. It's all about context and comparison. If you learned something new today, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Tubeshaala. We will continue our journey through the world of finance, one powerful concept at a time. Comment below and tell me what's the next financial concept you would like us to simplify. Until next time, keep learning, keep growing and keep watching Tubeshaala. Thank you very much.